Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to download or install Instagram in your computer. So let's start this video. I am searching for Instagram. There is no Instagram. Click Windows S and search Instagram. It is just a website I have not downloaded yet. So let's download the Instagram. Search Microsoft Store. Click enter. It will done in a simple step. Make sure you have connect to an internet or Wi-Fi. Then search Instagram. Click enter. Go to the first one. Click Instagram. And you will see the original version, not a cracked version. Click install. It may take some minutes or seconds. It depends on your internet. So connect to a good internet. My download is starting. So I have finished the download. Click open. Click don't allow. If you have problem in opening, refresh the page, then it will work. Here is my Instagram. I have already logged in the Instagram. If you want to know how to log in, leave a comment to make videos of that. After copying my step, all the work is done. And now I am going to teach you how to keep the Instagram in the taskbar so that you can open it easily. If you have any doubt, please leave a comment. We don't see Instagram in the taskbar, so I am going to keep the Instagram in taskbar. Go to Window, scroll down and search for Instagram. Click the mouse left side, go to More, and you will see an option Pin to taskbar. And you can see suddenly it appears on the taskbar. So friends, if my video is helpful to you, please like, share, comment and subscribe. Thank you.